Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you something really special, my mom's skincare routine. And here's the cool part, my mom is almost 60. She's 59, but you never guess it when you see her skin. She uses these Riman Korean skincare products daily and absolutely loves the results. I thought it would be fun to share her routine, so you guys can see exactly what she does and why it works so well. Now I'm going to walk you through her routine step by step. Stick with us from start to finish because every product has a purpose and skipping around won't give you the same results. Just take it all in, follow along, and see why my mom is so dedicated to this routine. Alright, let's dive in. Mom's going to start with the Active Cleanup Powder. This one's kind of unique. It's a powder that you mix with the water to turn into a gentle foamy cleanser. It's awesome because it exfoliates without feeling rough. Mom loves how soft her skin feels after this one, and she says it's really helped to keep her pores clear without being too harsh. Okay, now it's time for the Calming Balance Gel. This is like a mini spa for your skin. It's super hydrating and really calms any redness or irritation. It has a light, cool feel to it and helps keep her skin balanced and refreshed, especially after all that cleansing. On to the Viaton Oil Mist. This one's so interesting. It's a mist, but it's packed with nourishing oil so it leaves your skin feeling super soft without feeling greasy. It locks in all the hydration from the gel and preps the skin perfectly for the next steps. Mom gives it a few spritzes and it just absorbs right in. Alright, now we're moving on to the Dermatology Booster EX. This is like a little powerhouse serum for your skin. It's packed with ingredients to improve texture, smooth out fine lines, and add that little extra oomph to your skincare routine. Mom loves it because it feels lightweight, but you can tell it's working to give her skin that firmer look. Now we're going in with the Dermatology Serum EX. This serum is amazing for hydration and making your skin look plump and healthy. It's super lightweight and absorbs fast, so mom can layer it on without feeling weighed down. Plus, it's awesome for keeping that youthful glow. Before we wrap up, we're going back to the Dermatology Booster EX. It's double duty time. Layering it again adds even more of that skin firming and smoothing effect. Plus, it's super gentle, so there's no irritation with an extra layer. Finally, we're finishing off with the Active Cream EX. This is the ultimate hydrating cream packed with active ingredients to keep skin firm and moisturized all day long. Mom says it seals in all the benefits from the other products and leaves her skin soft and smooth, perfect to end the routine. Every step builds on the last, giving her skin everything it needs to stay clear, firm, and hydrated. She swears by these products, and I have to say, after seeing the results, I totally get it. If you're looking for a simple routine that really works, maybe give Riman a try. You might find your own skincare favorite just like my mom did. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you have any questions about the products or routines, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare routines and tips. See you next time.